take an A4-sized paper and fold it to a square. Cut out the extra part and save it for later. Now fold the square part twice as shown and make 4 smaller squares. Cut them and pick one square. Fold it as shown. Mark the center of the long side of the triangle using a fold to cut the petal shape evenly. Cut out the petal shape based on the center fold. Using the scissors, curl the petals. All you need to do is to put the petal in between your thumb and the edge of the closed scissors and pull the scissors as shown. You will need 4 such cutouts for making one rose flower. Snip the centers and cut out petals for forming a 3D shape. Cut 1 petal from first one, 2 petals from second, 3 petals from third and 4 from fourth. After which you will be left with 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 petals that form the complete rose. When you cut the 4 petals, you will be left with another set of 4 petals which we will not use in this flower. You can save it for another flower. Take the extra part you saved earlier and fold it to form 2 squares. Cut the extra part. Cut out a round for using as base for the flower. Create a cone as shown. Now start sticking the petals together. First stick the open end and attach it to the base. Now repeat the process of sticking open ends and attaching them to the middle of the flower till you reach 1 petal. As you get closer to the center, you can use scissors to press the center. 2 petals and 1 petal are tricky and you need little practice. Don't worry, no matter how you get them, the flowers will still look pretty. Remember the 2 squares we saved from the extra paper, use them for making smaller roses. Now it's time for leaves. Fold the paper 3 times. Now fold it into half twice. Cut all the joints and pick 1 paper. Fold it in half and cut the leaf shape. Now starting from the pointed end, cut thin fringes up to 3/4 of the leaf. The thinner the cuts, more beautiful it looks. However, be careful to not cut the before fringe or cut it too deep. Draw a circle with 3 inches radius and another circle with 4 inches radius on a cardboard and cut out the ring. I plan to create a uniform design of 3 leaves and 1 rose all round the ring. Fold the leaf in middle before sticking to make it pop a little and give a 3D kind of look. After I tried to stick the flower, I realized that it is tilting to one side, and so I decided to make a paper ring to place it upright. Here's how you make it. Now it sits perfectly. There we go. Here is the finished piece. I like the rustic look of the cardboard peeping out here and there. If you don't want it like that, you can stick white paper on the cardboard also. Here it is adorned on my wall. This white paper rose wreath looks pretty on my dark colored wall. If you have light colored walls, you can use colored paper for a bright look. For more such interesting and informative videos, please subscribe. Show some love by liking and sharing the video. Thank you for watching.